mindset, spiritual power. We need to talk about pain. All the pain, all the trauma you've been through in your life, don't make it all be for nothing. Don't make the people that hurt you get the last laugh. All that pain and trauma is made for you to become obsessed with being successful. Be obsessed to become happy. Be obsessed with having the last laugh. Hurt people. Hurt people. A lot of those people that hurt you, they're hurt inside, but we don't give a crap about them. You know why? Because some of us, we're hurting inside and we don't go around hurting people. Me, I've been a fucking people pleaser. I have been a people pleaser. I had put a lot of people before myself. I used to care about people's opinions. Being a people pleaser is the worst because people take you for a fool. Do you know if you're a people pleaser and you encounter evil, the type of shit you get yourself into? Man, all that pain, all that trauma, make it become obsession to get what you want. It's not all for nothing. You're gonna keep going through the same shit until you learn your lesson. Because I was going through the same shit until I learned my lesson. I didn't want to learn it. I'm over here trying to see people. We walk around trying to see the good in everything, right? Trying to see the good in people. Let me tell you this. Most people are in pain and they take their pain out on others. Be careful. Be wary. Don't make people push your boundaries. Have boundaries. If people got a problem with you saying no, fuck that person. I don't care who they are. Sometimes we gotta learn to say no to our own goddamn parents. Say no to your girlfriend. Say no to your boyfriend. Like, when they're trying to take advantage of you, you gotta stand your ground. We all been through pain and trauma in different kind of ways. What are we gonna do with that? We're gonna make it drive us to be the best version of ourselves. We're gonna make it drive us to be the best version of ourselves. Any goal or dream you had and you didn't start on it yet, start it right now. Make your trauma and pain be your obsession, because I'm becoming obsessed. If I gotta wake up at 4 a.m., I'll wake up at 4 a.m. If I have to wake up early and sleep late, I don't care. If I push my body to that, I don't care. If I have to push my brain to that, I don't care. I've been through the pain, I've been through the trauma, and it's pushing me to become my best self. Let that pain and trauma be your motivation to be your obsession to win. When you don't feel like doing that goal, remember your pain and trauma. Remember what they said to you. Remember when they neglect you. Remember when they doubt you. Remember the pain. When you remember the pain, you can't fail. It pushes you to a different kind of cure. You gotta win. Take your soul out if you have to, but you gotta win. Now, when I mean take souls, I don't actually mean do evil and shit. I mean like push yourself to the limit, because we ain't selling our souls out here. Become the best you. Anybody said that you don't deserve happiness, don't believe them. You deserve to be loved. You deserve happiness. You deserve it.